Hello again, welcome back. This is Brian with Bazzar Repairs. And today what we're going to do is fire up this generator that's been sitting in my garage for like 5 years or so. I've never fired it up, never tried it, don't have no manual, but who cares? Let's do it. So I got a gallon of gas, some 2-stroke oil, and a damn hair dryer. And we're going to try to fire this bad boy up. So let's do it. So it says we need 50 to 1 unleaded gasoline, 2-stroke oil combo. Here is the gallon. Alright, here's our 2-stroke oil, which already has 2.6 fluid ounces measured out. So it makes it kind of easy. So I'm guessing I'm going to throw it in here first. We'll see why not. Pop the hole in that. Okay. Put in this amount there. Looks about right. See the deal there. Just shake this, seal this up for a second. Shake and bake, shake and bake, shake and bake, shake and bake. Okay. Yeah, let it fizzle, let it fizzle. Let's put this bad boy up. Like I said, I have no manual, so let's hope I'm doing this right. Okay, funnel. I swear I bought a funnel. There we go. Alright, let's pour, baby. That should be enough. All right. Get it. There we go. Okay, seal everything back up before we start. Two-stroke. All right. Anything else? I don't know. What's that for? Who cares? Okay. Now, I see a red button. Disconnect power devices before generator shut up and start off. Blah, blah, blah. Engine. Let's turn that on. Stop. I don't think I want that. Let's just turn this to the middle. Joe IPA. Love this stuff. Okay, here we go. Let's see, guys. Damn thing don't work. What am I doing wrong? Damn thing don't work. Okay, round 2. I happen to look at the side and see that there's a fuel on-off button. Let's turn that on. Give it a second. Make sure switch is on. Okay, round 2, people. Here we go.